I am happy today. I am feeling hurt.
Hi, HeadPhone. Are you all tuned up now?
Yes, I was tuning up for my visit to the boys and girls at a school. The teacher invited me to teach the children all about kind and mean voices and how it feels inside your body when you hear a kind voice or a mean voice.
That's wonderful. How about if I help you practice for your visit to the school?
That's a really great idea, CJ. Let's begin with a kind voice.
HeadPhone, I really like your music box body.
Thank you, CJ. That makes me feel so good.
Great job, HeadPhone. The boys and girls must remember to say thank you for a kind voice. It is a gift of love. Now, let's practice a mean voice so the children can see how it hurts your body.
Okay, I'm ready.
HeadPhone, your music box body is silly looking with the antenna and those big dial eyes.
CJ, that was a very mean voice. It hurts inside when my antenna plays static. Can you please say a kind voice to make it stop?
HeadPhone, I am very sorry. I think your music box body is cool.
Boys and girls, please go find someone who needs a kind voice, a gift of love right now. It feels so good.
Boys and girls, please sign up for the CJ Kids Club on our website. Get email surprises and play games too. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get our latest Snapchats.